This is a model showing pneumonia. The right lung represents the lobar pneumonia, whereas the left lung represents the bronchopneumonia. In lobar pneumonia, we can see diffuse inflammation of the lower part of the lobe. Usually, it is divided into four stages: congestion, red hepatization, grey hepatization, and resolution. We can appreciate grey hepatization over here. In bronchopneumonia, it affects usually extremes of ages, infants and olds. We can see widespread patchy areas of acute suppurative inflammation. It is usually restricted to over one lobe. They are centered on bronchioles with subsequent spread to surrounding alveoli. We can also appreciate lung abscess over here. Pneumonia is an accumulation of secretions and inflammatory cells in the alveolar spaces of the lungs caused by infection. The causative agent of this pulmonary infection enters the lung parenchyma by routes of aspiration of oropharyngeal content, this is the most frequent one, and inhalation of aerosols. Pathogenesis. Lung parenchyma normally sterile because of several immune and non-immune defense mechanisms. Despite of lungs susceptible to infection because inhalation, and even in healthy individual, nasopharyngeal flora is subjected to regular aspiration during sleep. Pneumonia can be classified on the basis of etiological classification and anatomical classification. Anatomical classification is further divided into bronchopneumonia, lobar pneumonia, and interstitial pneumonia. Lab diagnosis. For Streptococcus pneumonia, specimen collection are sputum, blood, CSF, pleural fluid. Direct microscopy is done. Cultures on blood agar and chocolate agar. Automation methods, Malditov Vitek and multiplex PCR. Treatment. Oral therapy with amoxicillin for 5 days remains standard treatment among the outpatients. It is a jar-mounted specimen of lung tissue suspended in formalin. It is approximately 15 cm in length and 8 cm in breadth. The cut section of the lung is observed, which shows a part of middle lobe which is solid grayish area with liver-like consistency. The pleura shows white area of fibrinous exudate and appears thickened. The rest lower two-thirds of the lung shows normal spongy tissue. The parenchyma falls under the broader category of infectious pathology, specifically within the realm of respiratory infections. Globally, pneumonia affects about 450 million people annually, resulting in approximately 4 million deaths, with children under 5 and adults over 70 being particularly vulnerable. Pneumonia is a significant health concern in India. Country accounting for 23% of the global pneumonia burden and 36% of the World Health Organization regional burden. Pneumonia can range from mild to life-threatening with severity depending on factors like age, overall health, and the type of infection. Pneumonia diagnosis relies on a combination of clinical assessment, imaging, chest X-ray or CT scan, and potentially blood or sputum test to confirm the infection and identify the cause. Complications: tissue destruction and necrosis, causing abscess formation. Spread of infection to the pleural cavity, intrapleural fibrono-suppurative reaction known as empyema, bacteremic dissemination to the heart valves, pericardium, brain, kidneys, spleen or joints, causing abscesses, endocarditis, meningitis or suppurative arthritis. Microscopy. Microscopically, pneumonia, especially lobar pneumonia, distinct stages. Stages of congestion, red hepatization, grey hepatization, resolution. Bronchopneumonia reveals patchy inflammatory pattern with neutrophils, cellular debris, congestion, and the bronchi, bronchioles, and the adjacent alveoli. The mortality association with CAP greatly depends on the clinical setting where it is treated. Mortality is only less than 3% in the outpatient setting. 5 to 10% in patients not requiring ICU care, as high as 25% in intubated patients, and nearly 50% in ICU patients requiring vasopressors. Therefore, in the hospital case fatality rate for patients with severe diseases remains unacceptably high.